Welcome friends, my name is Raj Barge. I am the co-founder director of Raj Computers. Now today's topic is manually registering DLL or OCX files. Now first of that, why this is required? Basically this is required because we give lot many projects to our customers where DLL has to be registered. Unless and until it is registered, it shows an error. So what kind of error does it shows? It shows error very similar to this. It says error ActiveX component could not create object. That means the objects are not created. And what is ActiveX components? Those are called as DLLs or OCX controls. Now what is our today's topic? Today's we'll be having focused on what are the prerequisites to work with registration of DLLs. Second, what is the error which is showing? The error which is showing is marked here. Fine. Then what are DLLs? What are OCX controls and basics of it? Now let's start. First, I will be showing this how the error is generated. Now see, if I connect to my customer's computer, now see this. Right now I'm connected to my client machine using AnyDesk. So I go here, I double click on this operating system, then I choose D drive because my software is installed into D drive. My software is called as Gayatri Schools. I'm right now here. I'm just trying to make and run an exe. When I trying to make and run an exe is running, but when I click on that, it shows me an error further. It is saying ActiveX components are not created. Now we see this kind of error, we should know what is our root folder. Our root folder is D drive. It is holding a file directory which is called as Gayatri, that is customer's directory name. Now here is a folder which is called as DLL. So this is a DLL file which is not registered, and so it is showing an error. Now to handle this kind of errors, what we have to do? We have to go into first we have to go at command prompt, type CMD, and very important, you have to right click it. Very important, you have to right click it and run as administrator. Now once you run this, you should be able to work with the basic of the DOS commands, which is your prerequisite. So this is what I see as my command prompt. This shows administrator in the top and it is showing drive. Right now I am into D drive, Gayatri and DLL. So I will be saying D colon and pressing enter. I will be saying CD Gayatri GAY and I press a tab. Automatically Gayatri comes. Again I say CD DLL. Now into DLL directory, and if I say DIR, it shows me that directory. Now I want to register it. Registration process is very simple. You have to just say REGSVR32 and DLL module name. I type only 2 letters of it and then I press tab. It shows automatically. When I press enter, it has to show a message of successfully registration. This is the message which is very important. If this is being shown, I can just reduce this size. Fine. I can go into again one step back. I go into exe folder and rewrite. I try to rewrite or run the program, and you see it's showing me database. From here I can choose my database and I click on, yeah, it is showing an ODBC error and lot many things are not still working. But now there is a time where you should be able to set your directory, ODBC and lot many things. So we will be first checking of is that database, yes, database is available. Second, we go to reports, so reports are also there properly. Now we are going for ODBC. So how we go to ODBC, that I am going to check. I click it here, I say ODBC, and I don't think that ODBC is created. So that ODBC has to start with Gayatri. I think it Gayatri ODBC is created. Okay, let's try running it. Again I double click it. Now what is the basic problem here? Fine, I am choosing this 2020 ka file and just pressing enter. Hope so it is going to enter. Now it is saying, yeah, your database password is not correct. Fine. So after this, what we can do? Again we can go into ODBC and correct the database password. It is not showing me proper. I think I have to choose ODBC file. I click on this ODBC because the ODBC on computer is not working properly. Then I choose Gayatri. So Gayatri is there. I try to configure it. I go into advanced and password is not given. This is very surprising. So I specify the password and rerun the program. I go to exe, I go to Gayatri folder, I go to exe and run the program. I think it is going to run now. It's running fine. This is what we have to do. There are two ways of registration this DLL. Even this can be done without going into Windows, but that is quite risky. You can go into this Windows and just type same command here. The way of typing command is very simple. You go here, you choose directory, then you click on this top area, say slash, select the file name, copy this file name, again come into this part, say regsvr 32 bit in double quotes, paste the entire path of the execution, then just run it. I think it should run, and if it is not running then there is different problem, but this is what it should run. This is not a, this is search option. Basically you have to find the option called as run. The run has not come only. This is the area where you can just type the run command and execute the command. My spelling mistake was that it is regsvr. It's regsvr for registration of the file. It's saying could not regsvr 32 is missed. 32 is missed. Now it is registering. So it shows an error. Fine. But this is the steps you can register by this way also. Thank you.